pipes, all the threads, and then they started coating the backs of their trucks and realized that this stuff kind of stuck to whatever. So, you know, when you think anti-petroleum, it has crazy chemical resistance. We'll talk about that some more, but we've tested all sorts of stuff. I mean, we popped open batteries straight, poured the acid onto it, and didn't touch it. So it's pretty unique in that aspect. So this is a huge, big thing here. Thick, fluffy pads, anything you buy at Home Depot isn't gonna be good. This is gonna hold way too much product. What's gonna happen is it's gonna lay out super nice, and when it starts flashing off, all your streaks are gonna show. So these are no good. These are what you want. See the difference? There's literally nothing to this. Dry in too. Don't freak out about that. Lays out nice.
First thing you do is you wet the pad.
Cool. So we're gonna, because I know this slab is locked up, he's gonna be pretty much like a foot right in front of me. And the big thing is him and I are gonna be chatting the whole time. You don't wanna start pushing a puddle. You want a nice, easy flow. And he's gonna be up here, I'm gonna grab it from you real quick. Just kind of misting right in front of the mop. It's nice and easy. And you'll kind of see how this floor starts to pop. Go ahead. And see, guys, I have no pressure on this mop. I got nothing.
So it's like shuffleboard, like
And I tell people all the time, you don't really want to chase any sort of slight little faint mop lines. This isn't kind of a product that you get instant gratification on. It kind of needs really a day to set up and do its thing. So
will the lines disappear a little bit on their own?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So it kind of self-levels to some extent?
A little bit. I don't want to say it's fully self-healing, but it does have a little bit to it.